Welcome RidgeLife, I'm Tim, and today we are out in one of our hunting fields, and you guys know how much I love hunting here on RidgeLife. Well, you can see I've let this field grow up, and we have got to get a food plot in here very, very soon. But the problem is, to get the tractor all around the edges, I've got to cut down all those low-hanging branches. They'll just knock the exhaust right off my tractor. Makes it very difficult to get up under there, and that's where those deer come walking out of the woods, and you got to get that cleaned all the way to the tree line. Otherwise, you'll never see the deer come out until it's too late and they're looking at you. So we've got to get out all along this edge here today and cut them low-hanging branches, and I have got the tool to do it. We're going to try something out new today. Let's do this. Normally when I'm out here clearing off trees and brush for deer season, I use my steel Farmhouse chainsaw with an 18-inch bar. It's big, it's heavy, but I really don't want to have to lug that thing around, all that gasoline, the oil, all that mixed stuff, just to get these trees overhanging like what's above me. I want something light, I want something portable, and I want something electric this time. So check this out, guys. Today we're going to use a 6-inch battery-powered chainsaw. I think this would be great for these limbs like this right here. I just pull them down, zoop, cut them all off, and I'm anxious to see how long this thing lasts. I'm gonna do an unboxing for you here in just a second and let you look at what's inside, and then we're gonna get out and get all of these trees around this field done. And guys, if the batteries last, we may go off around other parts of the Ridge property and do some more work with this as well. If we like it, if it's a product we like, we'll put the description, or I'll put the link to it in the description down below so you can get one for yourself. If it ain't worth nothing, you ain't got to get it. But we'll see how it works. First off, I see we've got a very nice carry case. Looks like it should protect our equipment very well, keep all our accessories together. We open it up, let's see what we have inside. We have, starting off, a manual. This is our NaTiddy user manual for our mini chainsaw. And again, this is a 6-inch chainsaw, guys. Look at this. Hopefully this thing does us very, very well today. Get this out of the package, see what we've got here. It looks like it already comes with a chain installed. That is very, very nice, very, very handy. Looks like we've got a tool on the side here. Battery goes right here. It is black, and that's like a yellowish orange, like an industrial. I think we have adjustments. Oh, this thing is very, very nice. Let's go see what else we have in our container here. Looks like we've got some safety gloves. We've got some safety glasses, and comes with the package. We have a tool, a screwdriver for adjusting our saw. We've got a AC power adapter, and we have two batteries, two 2,000 milliamp hour lithium ion batteries. This is a 21 volt system, so we've got two of these. Oh wow, guys, we have an extra chain. They actually have given us an extra 6-inch chain, all the specs on the back here. I am very, very excited to try this out today. You can see everything stores very, very neatly inside. We've got our battery compartments, we've got our charger, our tools, our safety equipment. The saw sits right in the case just like that. Before we get started using it, I want to show you how to change the chain out. It did come with another chain. Take this cover off right here, and that will has the protective guide will come off with it. That will expose the chain. You can remove your chain that is either become too loose to tighten or can no longer be sharpened. Yes, you can sharpen this little bitty chain. The chain pack has the pitch you need to use to do that. So once you've done that, you just tighten it back up, and then you have to adjust the tightness of your chain. And usually you see if you pull one or two or pull two or three of the teeth out of the groove, you'll know that that's about the right tightness. So this right here is just the right tightness. If you need to adjust the tightness, you grab the screw that came with it. And right here, guys, right here, let's see if you can see that. Right there is a screw, and you just stick your screwdriver down inside here, tighten this clockwise, and that will tighten this chain nice and tight. So to use this saw, all you got to do is attach your battery, slide it right in here, boom, just like that. And don't forget, you also got this tool here. You can adjust your chain tightness while you're in the field. That makes it very, very nice. So put that right back in there. And then this saw is ready to use. So again, 21 volt, 2,000 milliamp hour. This is your safety switch. You can't pull the trigger with the safety switch not engaged. And also don't forget, this guard will keep things from getting in the way of the blade. So push the safety switch in, pull the trigger, and we have power. I figure if I stand in the back of the Kubota, I should be high enough the tractor can clear out. Anything I can reach from this side, the tractor should clear. So let's grab our first branch and actuate the safety switch, get the chainsaw turned on. First cut. Whoa! That was quick. I'm gonna let you see for yourself how powerful this is. This is again the second cut I've made with our NaTiddy 6-inch chainsaw. Let's see how quickly it goes through this oak branch right here. Wow! Now this is gonna be so convenient. Let's go ahead and do some time lapse and just tear out all these overhangs. Our first incident, the chain came off. Now we've already got about half of our field done, and I didn't check the chain tightness. Let's go ahead and tighten the chain. So it looks like our nut came loose, which allowed the bar to loosen up. So all we got to do is take off our cover. Don't lose that washer right there. Get your handy dandy tool out. Ah, I got a hornet. All right, got that hornet clear. So now all I got to do is get the chain back on the bar. Back on the bar like so. You may have to loosen up your screw to get the hornet's back. Let's see if I can get this done before he gets me. Alright. So if I get this on there and on the bar spot, I need to loosen that up some more. Just loosen this screw up some more. Here we go. Now it goes right over. Boom. So we are on. So now I just need to get the cover back on. Cover's on. Tighten that up this time. Now see, we're loose, so we need to tighten up our bar. Let's tighten, tighten, tighten. Get that screw right there. Tighten. And it should tighten that right up. Now as you're tightening your chain up, make sure your nut's not too loose, otherwise it won't allow it to slide. So you're just gonna make sure that when you get it, you get a pop like that. Nice. Chain is tight. About 104 heat index today, but we have made quick work of this field. We've got all of the field edge trees that overhang cut back, so now I can get the tractor right up to the tree line, clear that out so we can see in the woods when the deer come out just before, you know, the sun goes down, or in the morning when we're deer hunting. They'll hold up right there at that tree line before they come out in the field. And with all this cut back, I'll be able to see them, get my eyes on them guys. So we have got this field done. I don't know how many trips we just did. My battery is still good. First battery is still good. Did have that chain come off one time, popped it right back on. Let's get on to the Ridge farmhouse, clear some trees up there while we still got battery left. Battery lasts, we'll move over to the Ridge log home. See if we can do some damage there to some trees that are in the way when we mow. Put this saw to the test, so let's do this. Well, we had the saw blade come off again, or the chain. Very easy to put back on. I think it's the third time I've had it happen. And just pop it back on, tighten it back up. So far, so good. Pop that thing right back on, good to go. Let's go ahead and get the rest of these branches taken off. Boom, just like that. Let's see. Opens this log home right up. I'm tired. I ain't telling you how many loads I have cut and dumped. I didn't show you half of them, but we got the hunting field cleared. We got around the farmhouse, the Ridge farmhouse cleared, and now we've got around the Ridge log home cleared. So the lawnmower, zero turn, can get under the cut areas. The tractor can get under the field areas. This 6-inch chainsaw is the bomb. And guys, I only went through one battery. Matter of fact, I didn't even go through one battery. One battery is still cutting. Didn't show any signs of getting fatigued. So I've got another charged battery. I just got to charge this one up, and man, I am good to go. So I will put the link to this. It's an Amazon link down in the description of this video. I do appreciate it if you get. This is not a paid promotion. This was sent to me, and I put it to use and gave it a full, thorough review, guys. If you like today's video, if you like reviews, how-tos, farm living, hunting, fishing, subscribe to RidgeLife. I'd sure appreciate it. Hit that notification bell to be notified anytime a new video comes out. And as always, I hope everyone has a blessed day, and go RidgeLife. One last thing, I want to see if we can cut through a 3 or 4 inch cedar tree here. This battery has been worked hard today, so it's not a full battery. And the blade, the chain I've been using like crazy. Let's see how well it cuts this cedar. Woo, like butter, everybody.